Hey guys, it's me, Sierra, back with another video. Just dropped my two youngest off at the daycare for the day, and now I'm headed back home to get in my work truck and start my day of about 10 to 12 hours. As some of you may know, I drive a dump truck for a living, and I love it. I've been doing it for 15 years, and I love it. Now let's get in work. So finally, I'm pulling up at the rock quarry down in Benson, North Carolina. Ooh, it's packed here today. He wants us to go down, turn around, come back and get in line. So I guess that's what we got to do before we can get loaded. Y'all see how I be whipping that thing? Yeah, now it's my turn to get loaded. Most of the time, I don't want to take no more than 20 tons and risk my chance of getting stopped. Yeah, I'm good on that. Then I got to come around to the scale, check my weight right quick, make sure they ain't put no more up there than I want to take anyways. Pull it to the scales, get my ticket. Now I'm out of here on my way to the job site. As y'all can see, it might seem like I'm going fast. My truck don't go but 68 miles per hour. These folks be passing me, and I be like, dang, when they gonna fix the governor on this truck so I can keep up with everybody else? I guess they ain't, but it's alright though. Y'all see all that tarp down over there? We gotta cover all that before that hurricane come up in here. And it should be here, what, like Wednesday, Thursday? Something like that. Anyways, off the ramp. Here I go. This is my first load of about 7 loads that I'll probably make today. So I dumped my load. I drive on out of there. I'm going to get the next one while I let that bed down. Girl, your girl be taking off. I do this like a pro. And oh, here I come with my second load. Now, why this car coming down this road and this sign clearly say road closed? Now, what you think you gonna do on this road if you don't live on this road? I wish some people would just follow the instructions, would say the road is closed. The road is closed, lady. Any kind of business on this road most likely gonna be closed too. They'll open back up when the construction is done. Let me see, where's she going anyways? To the waist? They closed. Look at the gate closed. Now you gotta turn around. Anyways, get out of my way. really enjoy what I do. I love my job. I've been driving dump trucks for a long time. And I say a long time. I even drove in Virginia. Yep. For about 2 years. But anyways, on my way back for another load. Come around that curve fast. Now this truck going slow. Y'all see me trying to pass him. My truck don't go for 68. Nah, this sucker gonna speed up. Then I gotta get back over because he try to make me miss my exit. Now why they do stuff like that? See, you don't go for 68, but it's alright, sucker. I done so many loads now. Woo, child. It's got to get close to the end of the day. Oh yeah, time to take a break. Dang, Big Pressure came flying past me like a bat out of hell. Alright, girl, I'll catch up with you later. Ooh, I need me a break. Stuck over here at the Circle K. Get me a snack. I'm tired. Tired. This probably be my last load anyways. They about gone. Like, I don't have a good day. Bye. I'm out of here. Time for me to get signed out. I done worked how many times? How long today? Yeah, let me edit it all up right quick. Yep. Whew, by the time I get home, yep, let me start get my ticket. Thank you. This is all I've been waiting on right here. Time to go home, baby. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video, y'all. Come back, check me out. Subscribe. More videos to come.